Hello everyone, Blake here at C&S Corvettes again with another shop walk around for you. Let you know what we're working on this week. It's been a short week with the holidays, but we got some cars in here and we'd like to take you through it and show you exactly what we got going on. Right here is a 1997 C5. Customer brought it in because it had some electrical issues. Ended up changing the parking lamp sockets that were both burned and corroded, and it fixed all of his lighting issues. So we're getting ready for it to go home back to its owner this weekend. All right, here we have Steve's 2012 Grand Sport. If you remember in some of our last videos, we were changing out the ribbon inside the air box, which allows the AC to go from defrost, face, feet, wherever it's directional of the air. That ribbon that was damaged inside originally was preventing the air from coming out of the correct vents. It was just blowing it all behind the dash, so the AC wasn't really feeling that good. We found a donor ribbon, got it installed, and we got everything put back together for Steve, and everything works as designed straight from the factory. The donor ribbon is working well. All the air goes exactly to the vents that is designated to, and he has nice cold AC again, so he can be driving this fun, awesome convertible 6-speed LS3 2012 Grand Sport. Here is the Tall Man Lyle's 2003 Corvette with 262,717 miles on it. It does not look like it has that much mileage on it. This is a really great car. It served Lyle very well. He's actually just coming in for a little bit of aesthetics. We're working on getting this nice carbon fiber steering wheel put on his car so he can really grip it and rip it when he's going down the street. All right, so that's everything outside we got going on. Let's go inside and see what the boys got going on. Right here, we got Andy working on a 2014 C7. The customer is in for a full fluid change, differential, transmission service, oil change, brake flush, coolant flush, the works. He's also getting his main belt tensioner changed out while he's in here. So Andy's gonna have his hands full for the rest of the day, making sure this C7 is up to par and ready to hit the road. Over here, we have a 2023 C8 Stingray. Nick is working on a DCT flush. I know that's a questionable service with a lot of you C8 owners. It's something that we do here pretty regular now. We love getting the C8s in here, being able to work on them, really sink our teeth into them because it's still a new platform to everyone. A lot of them are still under warranty, so you're taking them to the dealerships. So we like when customers bring them in because we actually get our hands on them. So this C8 actually only has 1,037 miles on it. But the DCT fluid that comes in it only has a shelf life of 3 years. So the customer hit that 3-year mark, you brought it in, we're getting the fresh fluid in there with both fresh filters. So the important part of a DC flush all involves this unit and software on the computer. This unit is actually what tells the C8s to go through the flush procedure, which is determined by GM that it has to be done every single time an inline or in-pan filter is done. So this is what we use. It's straight from GM, and it does the DCT flush through the car automatically once we have the software and everything hooked up. All right, well, that's what we got going on in the shop this week. I know it wasn't a lot. Again, with the holidays, we kept it kind of light. Please remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Lyle's still trying to hit his 100,000 subscribers for the end of the year. So we hope we can get a lot more subscribers before the end of the year. Have a happy new year, and we'll see you next time.
Hello, it's your Corvette buddy Lyle here from C&S Corvettes in beautiful sunny Sarasota, Florida. I want to talk to you briefly about something we've had active for quite a long time that I've never mentioned here before. If you are looking to buy a Corvette, or if you are wanting to sell a Corvette, on Facebook we own something called the Vette Vault. And if you want to go in Facebook and just type in the Vette Vault, it'll take you directly there. This was something we established a long time ago for people wanting to buy and sell Corvettes, but didn't want to pay any fees, buyer or seller. This is a completely free service. The only reason we did it was so that people who wanted to buy and sell Corvettes could find each other without having to pay for the privilege of finding each other. But there's always cars for sale up there. We do limit only to Corvettes, and we don't allow Corvette parts or Corvette automobilia or anything. This is specifically for Corvettes for sale. So if you want to go on there, all you need to do is have a Facebook account. There's no fee to join. You just have to get in there and say, hey, I want to be a part of this. Nothing will ever cost you anything, and it's a good place to see what's available and what things are bringing. So if you are in the market for a Corvette, or you're just interested in watching what these things go for these days, this would be a really great opportunity for $0 for you to follow along. And if you have something that you want to sell, or a Corvette sitting out behind the barn that you are like, oh, I'm never going to do anything with it, this is a place you can put it for sale. Go ahead and visit the Vette Vault and, tell me what you think.